Fill us, dear Lord. In your mighty name we pray. Amen.
Yes, and I would also like to squeeze in my little prayer. I want to tell you that I hope that you blesses everybody, especially me, dear Father, so that dirty, bad-minded people can see that there is a way, Father. Your way, Father. Hallelujah. I pray that people will stop being so unconscionable. You understand, like the girl here that borrowed me $1,000 and I go like she don't remember. She passed me this morning and she don't tell me morning, Father. I pray that people would use their conscience when they hand them in the food here, because some of them love to name what they don't provide. Father, I pray that you bind them to milk. Bind them to milk, Father. Make them can have more than one slice of cake. Make them can drink more than one cup of juice. Because them love to know what they did not provide for, Father.
Amen.